Practical lime water preparation. In the chemical reaction, lime water is very important because in various practicals we uses the lime water in various ways. So first of all, we have to make the lime water. It is a misconception that the lime water is white color. In fact, pure lime water is no color. It has colorless just like water. It is a process. We have to put our calcium oxide or lime into water, make a solution. Okay. Normally it is a body form, but sometimes it has some rock particle or solid particles. But they are very soft, and on applying the pressure, they will become convert into powder form. Okay. And now we put the liquid in it. As a procedure, we can put it. It makes the liquid very easily and without the sprinkle on our hand. Okay. Now by the stir, we have to shake it, mix up so that it become a mixture. Now the question arises, we make the water with the calcium oxide or it is a lime water and it is showing a white color. Then why the teachers call it is a colorless? Because in it not the only calcium hydroxide, your lime water is present. It has also contained calcium oxide, and calcium oxide has white color, so the particle of calcium oxide giving the whitish color of this liquid. We have to separate the calcium oxide present in this liquid. So first of all, we have to wait for some times. Filtration, we need a filter paper, and first of all we make it into the quarter form, half and then quarter. Lastly we take in the 3:1 part. It has 4 parts, but we take as 3 parts separately to 1 part. This way we have a couplant structure which has no hole. That's why we can say the liquid passes from the layer of the filter paper only. It has no hole. That's why it directly passes through the and put it into the coupe so that we can pour the liquid in it. And lastly we have to place the wick because it has a timely process. So we are going for the stand and somehow not tightly but slightly tight, because if we tight more then it is a glass, it will break out. So slightly, that's why it do not slip in the practical, but it do not pull down. Okay, and putting the food, and it is a chemistry but it is also a mathematics. You know that if we are using for the filter paper, we have to put the volume of the water equal or less than this filter paper, not the coupe. Okay, so I am going for the and you can clearly see that the water coming out from the coupe is colorless. I am going for the all the liquid which is whitish color. I am trying my best that the water passes through the filter paper only. It's a timely process, so do not make the water go down fastly by stirring it. It will harm the filter paper. Now we are not here in the filter paper, that's why our practical will be failed. So do not stir. If you have practiced for many times, then you can go. But if you are doing for first time or sometime, then do not stir it. You can see the water is colorless, no normal water, but it is not a normal water. It is a lime water that it contains CaOH whole twice. We have poured all the liquid through the filter paper. Okay. Now we have to wait that the liquid passes through the filter paper and we get the pure form of lime water, which is 100% colorless. We have go for the carbon dioxide detection test. In the carbon dioxide detection test, how we can know that the gas is carbon dioxide? In the lime water, that is lime water, calcium hydroxide is present. And when the carbon dioxide gas, not any other gas, when the carbon dioxide gas reacts with the calcium hydroxide, it makes the calcium carbonate and the water particles. What is that? Actually, it is colorless. But calcium carbonate has a whitish color. That means it is white color due to calcium carbonate, not calcium oxide. So that means if we passes the carbon dioxide by various means, then the liquid will turn with white color. You can use baking powder that give the carbon dioxide. Even ENO, it has the carbon dioxide gas. So, but our mouth has also contain the carbon dioxide embedded mouth, but it has the carbon dioxide. So, always people say that we exhale the carbon dioxide. It is true or not? We are going to see. You can see the colorless water again turned into the whitish color because of the formation of calcium carbonate.